Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to learn how to draw a cute and colorful ladybug in just a few easy steps. Let's start with outline with black color. We will start with 2 lines. Now add semicircles on each side. This will make wings portion and body of ladybug. Draw a smaller circle in front for the head. Make sure the head connects nicely with the body. Don't forget the antennae. Draw 2 thin lines coming out from the head, and add small circles at the tips. Now, let's add the ladybug's signature spots. Draw round black circles on the wings. You can make them different sizes to make your ladybug look more lively and fun. Finally, color your ladybug. Use bright red for the wings. Black color for the spots. Use same black color for the head. Little touch up to the antennae. And just like that, our adorable ladybug is ready. Wasn't that easy? If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more fun art videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.